Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum, this lightweight and compact design is perfect for you. With its easy maneuverability, you can clean from room to room and up and down stairs with ease. One of the great features of this vacuum is the on-off brush roll, allowing you to easily transition from carpet to hard floor cleaning with just a touch of a button. And when it comes time to empty the dirt cup, it's a breeze, no mess, no fuss. But that's not all. With the hand vac mode, you can quickly clean up dust, dirt, and crumbs on furniture, counters, shelves, upholstery, and drapes. Plus, the 10 cleaning path provides a wide cleaning path for quick cleanups on multiple surfaces. And with scatter guard technology, you can prevent dirt and dust from scattering across your hard floors. It even comes with a 15-feet cord and a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spots. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, lightweight, and versatile vacuum cleaner, look no further than the Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1. Trust me, it's a game changer for your cleaning routine. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips.